My Goldsboro goodies. Ladies, it is week 4, EDCI 704. Hello. It's the end of your school year, and I do want you to know that I'm not there now, but I do feel your pain. Have you ever contemplated homicide during testing season? I did not have one of those jars on my desk as a principal, the ashes of problem students. I always thought that was a little tacky. But I have to admit that this time of year brings out the worst in parents, teachers, and students sometimes. I hope you haven't uh, lost your cool with anybody. Hey, this week is you need to be closing out your school years and working on your CNA B and PEB. And the Fitzpatrick readings on 14 and 15 are all about the getting in detail planning and analysis, writing your PEB. I hope that you've looked at this evaluation template. I don't know if you use that as part of your planning for the PEA. Add to that now. I hope that you will read chapters 14 and 15 in Fitzpatrick. Lots of specific information. And using the dialogues to build your PE is a smart way to go too. For instance, last week it asked about stakeholders. Lots of great responses there, but dig deeper. If you are going to ask teachers questions in an interview, do you have an interview protocol? Have you thought about what questions you want to ask? Are you going to ask the same questions of everyone? Are you going to question every teacher or a selected sample? How many? Think about the details. If you say you're going to collect a lot of data, you're also going to have to analyze a lot of data and write up a lot of data. So consider focus groups. Think about logistics like are you going to record it? Are you going to then transcribe that recording? Think about the details and write up your PEB. Um, the statistics this week is getting in deep, and I opted to. Dr. Brown has loaded a couple of things that are invaluable here. I like this little YouTube video that helped me understand the bell curve even better with the flipping of the coins, and the stuff about hypothesis testing seems a little dry. And turn up the volume, but that guy's all right. And that's probably the lecture that I wish I could give about p-values and probability, as well as type 1 and 2 errors. So good stuff, and read the chapters, look at the PowerPoint, reflect about what you know and don't know and how you think you might use that in your dissertation. And I'm going to try to provide some real good feedback about your methodology uh, templates there this week in the week 3 discussions that I'm about to grade. Anyway, we're 2 weeks out from the next class meeting. You need to have peer review copies of your CNAB and PEB ready for that meeting. Work on those this week, please. Do the readings. Keep up with stuff. See you soon. Thanks. Brief one, but I'll try to keep up with you. Thanks.